So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. Hope you're all doing fine. So today basically I will be showing you guys how I take down my crochet braids. This is the Trendy Tresses Nubian curl hair that I've had in for 1 week and a couple days now, and my hair needs to be washed right now, so I'm gonna take this out. Someone asked how do I take out my crochet braids, so I just figured why not make a video to show you guys how I take down my crochet braids. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Intro. Okay, so my hair is a mess, guys. Seriously, I seriously did nothing to my hair. Once I installed it, I just have it up and I don't tie it down, I don't do nothing. So right now it's really it's a mess, guys. So I'm just going to take this down. You literally only need your scissors, and once the hair is all cut out, your comb. This video is gonna be super short probably because it's just a takedown. So once I have that out of the way, I'm just going to I'm just gonna go in from cornrow to cornrow and try to separate. Whoa, I have a lot of build up here. If you guys want to keep the hair, you could just go through and take down the knots one by one like this. And there you have one part out, but that is going to take forever. If you have no care for keeping the hair, you can just go in, look for where you created your knot, take your scissors and cut right there, and just like that, it is off. Super easy. I tend to cut hair like these, the loose hairs, but if I crochet in a twist or a braid or so on, I just take down the knots instead of cutting it off because I like to reuse those. So I just go ahead and just cut these out of my head. Be careful not to cut your cornrows, guys. I did that once and oh my gosh, I cut my hair off. Just want to cut right where you put that knot. Right here, it's kind of hard to tell where my hair is, so I'm just gonna cut it a little way out away from my hair and just kind of pick at the knot. So in the back, guys, you just kind of have to feel, because you can't see around there, you just have to feel the knot and cut right on top of the knot so you don't cut out your hair. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead, take my comb and take my cornrows out. These up here will just fall out once I keep taking out my cornrows. Just gonna do that, and whatever that is left on the hair, we just start sliding out. Woo. Okay, so it is now what, 12:24. So it did take long to come out. Oh, that was like really quick. My hair is super dirty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is how I take down my crochet braids, guys. So I'm about to hit the showers and get my hair washed and squeaky clean. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, sorry, I hope you guys enjoyed this video also, guys. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace.